Hey guys, thank you so much to those of you that have helped support me this far. We are over halfway through raising outreach funds for my YWAM Youth with a Mission, DTS, or Discipleship Training School. And yeah, we're getting so close. Oh my gosh, I think I put the fund up, and after a week I had raised almost half of the funds, and then an extra week took us a little further. It has died down now in terms of fundraising and like the funds that are coming in. We are getting close. I believe we have a week or two left until it's due. I'm hoping we're able to push it a little further over the line in terms of like the time frame, but I believe that God will get us there before that time limit. So I don't remember the exact amount, but I think it's like $800 or maybe even $700 or something owing still, and maybe even $600. But yeah, we're close, guys. We're like super close. I've just had a bit of an outreach, just like a temporary outreach thing, just to help out in Toowoomba community out there. They're having a gospel festival. It's free, multicultural. There's so many different bands from like, I think most of them are actually from different countries and different cultures that are performing. And it's been made known pretty well out in Toowoomba. We're handing flyers out from, I think, Saturday and Sunday, maybe even Friday, I'm not sure. But yeah, we were handing flyers out for ages. And a lot of rejection, which is all part of it. But it was really just about connecting with the people out there and just being like, hey, there's this event happening, are you interested? And sometimes, you know, you have good conversations, and sometimes, yeah, you get some pretty amazing reactions from people, like really positive. So I'm excited to see those of you that are going there. And I'm also going to be filming, I think, for a dance ministry that's going to be presenting there. And yeah, so that's that. Once again, I just thank everyone for helping me so far. Yeah, it's been amazing just to be able to do a little bit of an outreach, but we have so much more to go, and many more communities to go and help. So yeah, please help support me in doing that so I can continue doing this ministry and helping these people. And yeah, I'm gonna be filming more, I promise. I was a bit lazy this weekend, or not lazy, it was just a bit flat out and awkward to film people while you're meant to be handing flyers out to them in Grand Central. So yeah, I'll hopefully have more time to film this this coming weekend, because we're going back to actually help and manage the festival in Toowoomba. And then 2 weeks after that, we're hitting up Mergen in the South Burnett. So we're going to be helping them out there, running a program at PCYC and some other things. So plenty of things to look forward to. Thanks again so much, and talk soon. See ya.
Yeah, why don't cows wear shoes? Or socks? Socks and shoes.
They can't.
Because they lactose.